Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to invite friends on AliExpress. Here's how you can invite friends to AliExpress using the AliExpress interface or using the AliExpress web app interface. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser and go to the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. You can use any browser of your choice. In the website, go ahead and click on the account icon at the top right corner of the screen and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, of course, which is here, hover over your account icon again. You're going to see a couple of options in here, which include My Others, My Coins, Message Center, Payment, Wish List, My Coupon, Settings, AliExpress Business, DS Center, Seller Login, and all the way down to Accessibility. Now go ahead and click on Settings. And once you click on Settings, it's going to open up the Settings window. Now head over to the left navigation panel. Here you have a couple of options, including Overview, Others, Payment, Refund and Return, Feedback, Settings, Shipping Address, Message Sender. You have Invite Friends, Help Center, Manage Reports, Suggestion, DS Center. Now go ahead and click on Invite Friends, because that's the call of this tutorial. Now it says download app to use your coupon. So it means you will only be able to invite friends using the AliExpress app. So play on AliExpress app. Number one, open the AliExpress application, download it from Google Play if you're using an Android phone, or from Apple Store if you're using an Apple phone. All right, so once you have downloaded the app, open the AliExpress app. Then after logging in using relevant account credentials, go to My Accounts from the home page on the app. And once you do that, find your Invite Friends referral program. And once you find the AliExpress Invite Friends referral program, they're definitely going to walk you through the step-by-step processes that you need to take in order to invite your friends, refer people, and of course know how much coupons or how many coupons that you can definitely get from inviting your friends. This is pretty much the process. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I'd like you to know that after your friends make their first purchase, you may receive rewards or discounts, all right, depending on AliExpress's referral program. So right here, they're talking about coupons, which is pretty cool. So keep an eye on your account notification or reward section. So by following the steps, you can easily invite friends to join AliExpress. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.